What do you want? There's some nice train tracks there. So on train tracks, I'm thinking a little train in there. It's next to the lights in there. You can see the train tracks in there, on the west side. Quasel, train tracks, the BNSF, Santa, train cars. And there's some nice train tracks. Nice blocks of train tracks. That's those old train tracks in there, man. I think that's some cool train tracks in there. Train tracks in there. There's no train tracks over there. It's in that next door. Crossing out, or the train cars is drop off here. I could see the train. It fall down, cross, and then you cross with the train. It's so much. Nice train tracks. Huh? Okay.